Our objective is to have two identically shaped pieces, with the exception of them being a mirror image with the mortise hole locations. We have attached our template to our workpiece, and we need to make sure that the router bearing is going to ride along the template. And hanging on to our workpiece, we can slowly feed that through the router. As we router, we want to progress at a medium to slow pace. We also want to listen to the cutting of the router against the wood. If it starts to split out or it sounds like it, we need to go slower. And as you will hear, this piece ended up not going very well. Now, I did have one area that just caught the grain and there was nothing I could do, so I do have a little bit of tear out. Fortunately, it is on the side of the workpiece that will be facing the wall, so I'm not concerned about it. Now, when I'm running the back portion, now one thing to be aware of is we want to avoid the mortise layout lines that we previously drew. Otherwise, we'll have to lay those out again. Aside from the one small part that blew out, everything went pretty smoothly, and the rear leg pieces are looking pretty good.